We are formatting cells in Excel Lesson 6. This is Format Painter and Paste Special step-by-steps. I have, in step 1, opened the 06 Contoso Painter Paste Special file from the data files in this lesson. Step 2, click Sheet 2. In step 3, we're asked to click cell A5. On the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the Center button for step 4. In the Font group, click the Underline button. Also in the Font group, click the Font Color drop-down arrow and select Dark Blue, Text 2. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter button. The mouse pointer changes to a plus sign with a paintbrush. Drag over B5 through C5. The formatting from A5 is applied to B5 and C5. And the Format Painter is no longer active. We'll save the workbook to our class folder. Adding solution to the end and our last name, first name to the beginning.